Oh, what's up, guys? Please, guys, swag. Stash update, real quick. Some punks, of course. That's not even a firework. But yeah, this is a firework stash update, real quick. This is gonna be a quick video, so probably like a minute, 2 minutes. One box of a USA micro dynamite. Legend brand. So if you saw SS, that's just my initials. So another one. And one more. Well, yesterday I went to the fireworks stands yesterday. I got 2 Roman candles, a black cat, and I got like 6 micro dynamite. So yeah, that's what I did. But when I go to the fireworks store, I don't even know when, like on the 4th. I think I'm gonna go on the 4th because everything's gonna be on sale. I'm gonna be able to get a lot more. So I got me some coupons. Just no purchase necessary. You just get a free box, one free box of sparklers. I've got this. I can get these 50 pack of firecrackers, also free, without a purchase. But yeah. And then your choice free, $20. But this is a purchase of $100 or more. But I don't know if I'm gonna be spending $100. I probably will, but I already had 100. But I kind of spent some of that to get these water dynamites. So I'm gonna keep this just in case, because this might come in handy. And also they have assortments for like $8.99. That's pretty good. Got some more coupons, but I don't really need to show you guys those. But yeah, I just thought I would show you guys my stash update. So these 3 tack on to my 4th of July firework list, whatever. And yeah, my next stash update is gonna be on the July 3rd or 4th, but I think on the 4th, and then I'm gonna have my fireworks. I'm gonna have my show, my finale on the 4th too. So 2 videos coming out on the 4th, and I think I'm done for this week. Let me check my schedule real quick. Just 1 second. So yeah, so yeah, that's really it. Yeah, the 1st and then the 4th, and then we're back to normal gaming. I'll probably demo some stuff for you guys, but that's really it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit that like button. Yeah, I know it's not much, but with all the fireworks I already had, that's kind of a lot to me. So if you guys would hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later. Like I got swag out. Peace.